Hello, beautiful beings. I just got a quick tip. If you take leaves from certain bushes, and I have no idea what these are, but before they start falling off, and you just like clear out the bugs outside and this stuff, okay? And then you take Mod Podge before they start falling off and just put a layer on them by where they're attached. I'm pretty sure this will work and you can use them in your crafts. Okay, just wanted to show you that. You can put it on the leaves too. Okay, but make sure you get right by the stem before they start falling apart. Okay, don't put as much on leaves. And then let that sit, and it should hold the leaf on the stem. Then you can add them as a little embellishment to something. Okay, and then I got a flower, I also did. I did the top. Then you're gonna have to divide it after you put the Mod Podge in. But I put it in like every layer, I put it in there, and I put it around this layer just to hold them on. Okay, like this, like down in here, on each layer of leaves. Okay. Then of course on the bottom. Okay. And hopefully this holds it together. I'll give you an update if this works, see how it looks after it dries, but I'm pretty sure this will work. And make sure you have glossy paper. Just put them on to dry so they don't stick to the paper and you have the paper coming up with it. So I thought I'd just share that with you. But make sure you get them before they start losing their leaves, they start falling off. I'm pretty sure this will work. Then of course you're gonna have to separate it like so to get some of the leaves out. Okay? Have a wonderful everything.